When working at height, the right harness can be the difference between life and death. Cresto Safety harnesses are engineered for protection, comfort, and performance in demanding environments. Today, we'll explore 3 of Cresto's top harnesses: the Cresto Fusion Pro Wind 1138, the Cresto Energy Pro 1136, and the Cresto Fusion Active Plus Wind 1137. The Cresto Energy Pro 1136 is a versatile, all-around harness designed for various industries, including wind energy. It features durable polyester webbing, quick connect buckles, and back and side D-rings for multiple attachment points. The 1136 harness is built for long-lasting performance, even in harsh conditions, making it the ideal choice for construction and industrial environments. The Cresto Fusion Active Plus Wind 1137 offers specialized features for those working specifically in the wind industry. In addition to the back D-ring, this harness includes a front D-ring, which is essential for connecting to vertical fall protection systems like ladder climbing. The ergonomic webbing ensures freedom of movement, and enhanced padding on the shoulders, legs, and back provides greater comfort during long hours at height. The 1137 harness also comes equipped with integrated tool holders and loops, allowing technicians to keep essential tools within reach, improving safety and efficiency when working in high-risk environments. At the top of the range is the Cresto Fusion Pro Wind 1138, designed specifically for the wind energy sector. Like the 1137, it features a front D-ring for vertical fall arrest systems and boasts additional positioning loops for extra tool attachment. This makes it an excellent choice for tasks that require flexibility, precision, and quick access to equipment while working at height. So, how do these harnesses differ? The Cresto Energy Pro 1136 offers robust, versatile protection. Still, the Cresto Fusion Active Plus Wind 1137 takes it a step further with its front D-ring and enhanced comfort features, making it perfect for wind turbine technicians. The Cresto Fusion Pro Wind 1138 builds on the 1137's design, adding extra positioning loops for greater tool accessibility, making it the ultimate choice for advanced wind energy tasks. Cresto Safety's evacuation and rescue kits, like the SmartLine X, can also be installed on each harness when self-evacuation or rescue procedures are required. Choose the right harness for your job. Choose Cresto Safety for unbeatable protection and performance.